Maayong gabi sa tanan! Maayong gabi, prosperidad! Yes, maayong gabi. And before me mag-start, of course, dagan kami pasalamatan. Especially ang atong Honorable Mayor, Frederick Mark Meliana. Palakpakan nato. Thank you so much. To our Vice Mayor, Nanoy Ronquillo, thank you so much. To our Governor, Santiago Cane Jr., thank you. And to our Congressman, Alfel Basang, yes, thank you. Bascog, thank you. Ayan, to our Congressman, Adolf Edward Plaza, thank you so much. And all board members of Agusan del Sur na nandito ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po for having us here. Excited na ba mo? Yes, dagang salamat sa mainit na pagtanggap sa Sweet Notes Music. And once again, thank you for having us here to be part of this special celebration. And welcome din sa ating mga VIPs na nandito ngayon sa harapan. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat ngayong gabi. Are you ready? Once again, hear the Sweet Notes Music! Woo! Everybody sing along with me. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. BJ on the top. Okay na mo diyan? Yeah. Everybody say. I see her in a smoking room. I smell a wine and cheap of you. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on. Everybody say, strangers waiting up and down a boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in tonight. Hey! Working hard to get my feel. Everybody wants a thrill. Paying anything to roll the dice just one more time. Some will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. But the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Say, strangers waiting up and down a boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living
sides. Losing ground, I'm reaching for you. You say, feeling that is gone can change your mind. If you can't go on, survive and die. Don't give up. Someday love will find you. Break those chains that bind you. One night will remind you how it's such ten with us every ways. If he ever hurts you, true love won't desert you. You know I still love you. How it's such ten with us every ways.
Can you give us a hand? Come on! Palakpak naman kayo dyan! Yeah! Thank you so much! Okay lang po diya? Come on!
Distant time, caught between confusion and pain, pain, pain. Distant times, promises we made were in vain, in vain, vain. If you must go, I wish you love. You never walk alone. Take care, my love. Miss you, love. Someday love will find you. Break those chains that bind you. One night will remind you how it touched and where I every place. If he ever hurts you, true love won't desert you. You know I still love you. How it touched and where I every place. You join the town. Once again, let's be trying.
Wala ba tayong mga kamay dyan?
Thank you so much. Someday love will find you. Break those chains that bind you. One night will remind you. If he ever hurts you, true love won't desert you. You know I still love you. I still love you, boy. You know I love you, boy. If he ever hurts you, true love won't desert you.
Thank you so much. Maayong gabi.
Maayong gabi.
Once again. Woohoo! Ayan. Okay na ba mo diha? Kung naghinay ba yun ang iyong palakpak karong gabi, no? Palakpak daw mo, big kusumbe! Ayan. Thank you so much once again. Dagang salamat. Prosperidad sa pag-invite sa amo din his Sweet Notes Music. Naka-follow na ba tanan din sa Sweet Notes? Kinsay mga followers sa Sweet Notes din, hey! Kana, Gil, thank you so much once again. At this time, we're gonna change the beat for a moment, no? I know, daghan po ganag love songs dinig. Kinsay gusto OPM love songs. Kana, no? Love our own yun, OPM songs. So this one, hope you like this one, guys. Para po sa inyong lahat.
Sa mga in love diya. Hindi ko na sana pinasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mong may gayuma. Everybody sing! Dahil sa hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang naakit sa puso ko. Kasi gusto sweet notes, Jersey. Kaya nga'yo'y waring bulong-bulong ang puso. Kasi mga in love diya, araw gabi, kung sa'y pinakamaingay dito ngayong gabi, ang Kuya Hagis ang Jersey. Dito sa gilid, come on! Dahil ba ang puso labis na umibig sa'yo, hanggang kailan magtitiis silihim ang pag-ibig ko. Prosperidad! Sabay-sabay! Say! That's right! Sa utos ng damdamin, alam na alam, naghanag singer Dre. Mura kang mas malakas dito sa gitna. Ang puso sa'yo'y baliw. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Dito sa gilid, ayos ba tayo dyan? Dito sa likod. Yeah. Hindi ko na sana pinasdan ang iyong kagandahan, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mong may gayuma. Sabay-sabay! Dahil sa hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko.
One more time, yung mas
Sabay tayo, come on!
malakas! Everybody say!
Say! Anong gagawin?
Yeah!
Sa oras na oh yeah! Para bang hangin na kahihirap. Dito sa gilid, dahil sa patay dyan. You ready? Sana'y nawain ang pusong sa'yo'y balik. Nais kong malaman mo na I love you very much.
Yeah!
Kasi mga in love diya. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita.
Yeah!
Anak, ingat tayo dyan ha. Meron pa kami dito, marami pa.
Yeah, thank you so much. Sa mga kuhaan na ingata ha. Ayaw ibaligya. Once again, we'll give you another song. Hope you like this one. Para sa lahat ng mga niloko ngayong gabi, kinsay mga gibinuangan karong gabi agoy daghansad. So everyone, hope you like this song. Sing along with me if you know it. Come on. Niloko mo, winasak mo, pati mga pangarap ko. Ilan kaya ang tulad mo? Bakit ganyan ang puso mo? Sabay-sabay!
O kahit bilis naman sinubay nakuha mo mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilagay ang mga babae ang panuluhain mo pa.
Wapo siguro ni siya. No? Ay, daghan yung nagkagusto sa iya, ha? Come on, sing with me!
Nilason mo ang isip ko, ang puso at damdamin ko. Anong sakit sa aking dibdib, ang pag-ibig na alay mo. One more time! Natatawa ko nang marinig ko ang galit na mayroon ka na iba. Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Kung kahit bilis naman sinubay nakuha mo mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilagay ang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa.
Dito na, side! Kamay!
Natatawa ko nang marinig ko ang balita mayroon ka na iba. Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Kung kahit bilis naman sinubay nakuha mo mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilagay ang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa. Natatawa ko nang marinig ko ang balita mayroon ka na iba.
Thank you so much! Yes, wala ba tayong mga kamay dyan? Yes, itong next song naman namin, trending at saka lagi talaga siyang nire-request, no? Paborito ng lahat to. Kahit paulit-ulit namin pinopost to, talagang nagbe-million views siya. I don't know anong meron sa kantang to. Hope you like this song, guys. Alam ko, alam niyo tong kantang to. Para sa lahat ng mga in love ngayong gabi, to all the lovers in the house, hope you like this one.
Hey, sa mga in love niya. You know you're everything that I've been looking for.
Yeah.
And I look into your eyes, I couldn't ask for more.
Everybody say, come on.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
Sabay-sabay, come on!
Say, so if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can end,
know it's gonna be
it's
with you.
gonna be
You're the
with you.
one to pull me through, though I don't know when.
And if I ever fall in love again,
Tingnan natin kung sino pinaka-sweet na couple dito ngayong gabi. Meron ba mga couples dyan?
scared,
Couples, come on.
I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yet, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around.
But I know when you hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. Come on, everybody!
Oh, so
If I ever fall in love again,
if I ever fall in love,
sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be
it's
with you.
gonna be
You're
with
the
you.
one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever
best thing in my life. When I know I gotta take it slow.
Mga couples, come on! Mga in love ngayong gabi! Taas kamay! Hey! Oh, know it's gonna be with
It's
you.
gonna be
You're
with
the
you.
one to pull me through, though I don't know when.
And if I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again.
Yes, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Thank you guys for singing with us. And so this will give me our next song, guys. Sa lahat naman gustong sumayaw, makikanta at mag-enjoy tonight. Come on, sing with us. Here's another song. Oh! Hey, come on. Yes, that's it. Come on. Enjoy the yung gabi. Everybody clap your hands. Yeah.
Looking in her eyes, I see paradise.
Woo-hoo!
This world that I found is too good to be true.
That's it.
Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Prosperity.
Let's go.
Let them say we're crazy. I don't care about that.
Let's come on.
Put your hand
Hey,
in my
hey,
hand, baby.
hey.
Don't ever look back.
Let's go.
Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're hard to hurt.
Everybody.
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Oh, oh.
I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it
Nasa
takes,
likod!
I will stay
Everybody, come
here
on!
with you. Take it to the good times. See it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do.
Come on, say!
Hey!
Let them say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby. Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're hard to hurt. Say! And we can build this Yung next song naman namin, trending din tong kantang to. I know everyone love this song. Trending dahil pwede kang sumayaw sa bridge part. Alam niyo ba to? Yeah, sige. Pagbigyan natin kasi nire-request to eh. Here we go. If you know the song, pwede kayong sumabay, especially sa chorus. Lakasan po natin ha. Everybody, come on. If you know the song, you
Si
can
mga
sing along
dancer
with
niya.
me. Ready na ba mo?
Para sa tanang mga gi-friend zone karong gabi eh. Nabi gi-friend zone diya? Wala. Para sa tanang mga in love karong gabi eh. Taas kamay mga in love!
Two old friends meet again, wearing all their faces. They talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts, they fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Everybody, someday they meet again. Have a need.
Prosperidad, sabay-sabay!
Say!
Wala nag-singer lagi. That's right.
Yung mas malakas, meron pa ba? Come on! She's back.
Oh yeah.
Maybe this time. Love won't end. Woo!
Ay, isa ba tayo dyan sa gilid? Ay, isa ba tayo dyan?
It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time has cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before.
Everybody.
Here we go. It had
One
another
more time.
chance,
Sabay-sabay.
and they take it. Maybe this time it'll be love, and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends.
Come on!
She's back in his life, and it
Sayawan
feels
na si
so
Mama.
right. Maybe this time, love
Ano, mga
won't
dancer,
end.
come on.
Everybody dance! Come on! She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept
Ano mga dancer?
her
Come on, mom, everybody!
waiting. One more time.
One more
It's
time, one more time.
magic. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept her. You want more?
One more time.
Waiting for
Ikaw, isa
this
dancer niya.
magic moment. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept her.
One time.
Ready?
Let's go.
Waiting for this magic moment.
Say.
Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, she's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end.
Oh yeah! Cheers!
Magagaling kumanta at sumayaw. Cheers naman kayo dyan. Woohoo! Thank you so much. Excited na kayong sumayaw? Okay, one more love song and then we'll go to dance na tayo, di ba? Eto, next song, pwede bang mag-request na i-on natin yung mga flashlight ng ating cellphone? Okay lang ba? Gawin din natin dito sa Prosperidad. Ayan, requesting everyone to turn on your flashlights.
Meron ba tayong flashlight dyan?
Subukan natin. Sayang naman yung dami ng tao kung hindi natin gagawin dito.
Ipakita
Ayan.
natin. Ipakita
Yes.
natin sa internet kung gaano tayo karami ngayong gabi. Come on, flashlight, flashlight!
Yes.
Dito sa gilid, come on, flashlights. Meron tayong flashlights, come on.
Thank you guys. And sing along with me for our next song. Come on. That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. If you know it, come on, sing. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on
Come
fire.
on, flashlight, flashlight!
The spirit in my soul, the California gold. You found the light to be that I couldn't find. Prosperidad, let me hear you sing, come on. So when I'm on, louder, come on. Every time I said, whew, when the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Come on! Lovers in the night,
Let's go!
poets trying to write. We don't know how to rhyme, but time we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. It's a part of me that's you will never die. Say, so when I'm on your door and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, and I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Yeah. Woo-hoo, 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 woo-hoo. Say, it's when I'm on your door and I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Everybody time! Woo! Everybody touch all the people! Sayaw na mo din, sayaw! Come on!
People say that I'm the fool, but I know
Yes, that's it!
these I've found on what it takes to be
So nasa likod,
strong.
pwede kayo sumayaw!
I was dreaming all day long, drifting clouds. Eyes wide open, I would choose not to see.
Are you ready to dance? Here we go!
No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your games. Not even if you smile sweet and smile.
Yes.
Not even if you're begging on your knees. Say good morning to the world. I hope you like it. Take good care of all those things that we
Ayan, sumasayaw na yung ating mga captain!
I've been looking for a way for too long now.
Yeah!
Seems like everything
Wala ba mga dancer dito? Sayaw naman kayo dyan, party people!
Come on!
Say!
No, I don't wanna see
is not my dream. Although I'm not asleep, but if we live, I want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave us now. So go on, come on, leaving me breathless and tease me until I can get out. There's a loving feeling, make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah. Come on, let's dance prosperity. Gusto nyo pa? Yes! Yung mga hindi pa sumasayaw dyan, wala na to bukas, ha? Don't be shy, wag po kayong maya. Ayaw mong kaulaw, nga misayaw karong gabi
Ayaw mo kaulaw nga kamunga ng sayaw. Sasayaw sa bukid no.
Sayaw prosperity! Everybody dance, come on! 1, 2, 3, go!
Ano, sige, sayaw eh.
Ala, sayaw, sayaw, boy! Sayawin na, sayawin! 1, 2, 3!
Idana, 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 idana.
mapansin ang aking nadarama sa'yo.
Party people, party people.
Di na rin ako, sana'y mawalik na lang tayo.
Everybody!
At di ko alam bakit ba nagkakaganto.
Para sa lahat ng mga siloso ngayong gabi.
Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo. 1, 2, 3. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisikip ang dibdib ko. Sa tuwing nakikita ko ng magkatabi kayo. Bakit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsasalosan siya? Bakit ba siya? Bakit di na lang ako? 1, 2, 3, turn! Ha, ha! Ha, ha! Woo! Let's go! Party people! Ha, ha!
Palakpakan naman dyan. Gusto nyo pa?
Iyawa, manayaw, manaka, mabangko.
Putulin muna natin saglit, magpa-picture sa may para tuloy-tuloy na tayo mamaya.
Pwede ba tayo
Okay lang?
magpa-picture?
Sige. Pa-picture muna tayo saglit.
Alright, sige, itaas yung mga kamay. Para makita tayo sa camera yung nasa likod, pwede natin itaas yung mga kamay natin. Ayan, 3 picture ito sa gitna at saka left and right. Ayan, pwede ba nating ilawan yung mga tao? Sige, taas kamay, 3, 2, 1! Taas kamay lang. Ay, magwaki ha, taas kamay lang. 3, 2, 1, taas kamay! Oh yeah, dito sa gilid. Alright, taas kamay sa gilid para makita tayo sa camera. Alright, come on, taas kamay. Dito man, taas kamay! Alright, dito na naman sa kabila. Alright, meron pa ba tayo dyan? Ayos na ba tayo dyan? Ayan, taas kamay. Marami pa pala dito.
Yes.
Sige, taas kamay. 3, 2, 1, taas kamay! Oh yeah!
Yes, gusto nyo pa bang sumayaw? Yung mga nasa likod, pwede kayong sumayaw dyan, ha? Just enjoy the night, guys. Come on, party people!
Hey, 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 hey. Yes, when there's a battle in the marketplace, only is the singer in the band. Come on!
Come on, sayaw!
That's when say somebody gonna like your face, and all the section is to take somebody can.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, bloody, oh, blada, that goes on. Na, 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 that goes on. One more time. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, that goes on. Na, 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 that goes on. Woo! Hey! Desmond takes a Julie and the jewel stars, buys a 20-carat golden ring, takes it back to Molly waiting at the door, and as she gives it to her, she begins to
1,
sing.
2, 3.
Oh, bloody, oh, blada, love goes on. Na, 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 love goes on.
Everybody!
Oh, bloody, oh, blada, love goes on. Na, 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 love goes on. Hey, hey, hey. In a couple of years, yeah, you built a home. Sweet notes, sweet notes, sweet notes, sweet notes. Hey, with a couple of kids running in the yard. Oh, this morning, Molly Jones. Ha, 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 ha. Happy ever after in the marketplace. Only it's the children and the men. This was this the Molly girl I like
Nag-enjoy ba ang lahat ngayong gabi? Yeah, so give another song.
Greetings all the single ladies in prosperidad. Hey, you put your hands in the air, prosperidad. Put your hands in the air, prosperidad. Say ho, say hey, hey ho, hey, hey ho. Say everybody say, sing it.
Girl, you're my angel.
Say,
You're my darling.
I can hear you.
Closer than my lips, you are to me.
Wow,
Baby,
Sing it.
shawty, you're my angel.
You're my darling.
Wow.
Angel.
Sing it.
Girl, you're my friend, but I'm in need.
Listen,
Lady.
listen. Hey, love is one big party, wanna still young. Now who's gonna have the back when it's all done? It's all good to when you let the have your fun. Can't be a fool, son, I want a mother long
Shut
run.
it.
Looking back at the Albi as I mentioned. I said me not giving her much attention.
Yeah.
She was dead from my young
Sabay.
consolation. I wanna
One,
show the
two,
nation of my
three. Come on.
appreciation.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my
Everybody say.
darling angel.
Shuggy.
Closer than my lips, you are to me.
One,
Baby,
shut up.
shawty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend, but I'm in need. Lady.
You're a queen and I give you some between it. I know nothing got the loving that's so needed. She got up there but I got on the heat at the talking indeed, all the motion completed. Mama never sayonized this the program. Not to love it, Miss Ray Mommy, very much son.
Yeah.
But I've been not the love of you was
One more
so strong. I've
time.
been thinking of so long, I think
Let's
it never
sing
be
together.
wrong.
Girl, you're my angel.
Listen.
You're my darling
Everybody sing. I can hear you.
Closer than my lips, you are to me.
Wow,
Baby,
Shuggy.
shawty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend, but I'm in need.
Listen, hey!
Lady.
Abin niya ubok singira, kay dakugpaa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Abin niya ulang bandira, kay dakugpaa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Abin niya ubok singira, kay dakugpaa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Abin niya ulang bandira, kay dakugpaa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Hey! Daghang gatingon nga, pati kang nawong. Hoy! Ayaw ka bala, ka ako rang giong.
Yeah.
Akong gianto sa mga kantsaw nga akong uyab daw anggit-anggit o kabaw. Hoy, grabe, kaayo mga tawa. Lami ipabalik iyang ipakulata.
Yeah.
Magpaabot lang ta sa panahon nga akong uyab magpapayong ni
Come on.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling
I can hear you.
Closer than my lips, you are to me. Baby,
Shuggy, Shuggy.
shawty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Wah,
Girl,
wah,
you're my
wah,
friend, but
wah,
I'm in
wah.
need.
Hey, hey,
Lady,
hey.
shawty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my lips, you are to me. Baby, shawty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend, but I'm in need. Lady.
Wah, 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 wah. That was a name.
Nag-enjoy ba yun?
Hey!
Come on!
Another
This
song.
song para sa inyo lahat.
Another song para sa lahat ng mga patuloy na nagmamahal sa OPM, hip-hop. Alright, para sa next request, something song from Black Knight. Sabayin niyo po kami sa chorus if you know the song. Come on, guys. Hey, 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 hey. Di ko alam kung bakit, puro na lang pasangit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit, laging tanong may bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit, puro hirap at galit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Everybody sing in 1, 2, 3. Kayo po, yung kayo po na nakaupo. Another song, hey! At baka, that's right. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ganito kasi na eh. May exact tao po na tumubak kayo sa loob ng malaking bahay at malawak na bakuran. Taas na pader, pinapaligiran. Nakapilang mga mamahaling sasakyan. Mga patay na langit kasal pero marami ang nakabarong. Lumakas man ang ulan na walang butas ang bubong. Mga platong kutsara na hindi kilala. Turong matangkalin na sinuti ng gatas na nasa kahon. Kaya nga hindi Pasko sa lamesa, amay hamon. Ang sarap sigurong manirahan sa bahay na ganyan. Sabi pa nila, kumuni matatagpuan at taon na ng mami-ari ng isang upuan. May pagkakatakunin pinag-aagawan. Kaya naman, di niya pinagkakawala. Kung makikita ko lamang sa ayak kinahalikan. Hey! Sabay-sabay, everybody!
Yun naman tumayo.
Tumayo, break it down. Yeah.
Pagkamatanaw at pagkamatanaw ninyo kalagayan
Yo!
nyo.
Mawalang gana na po sa taong nakaupo. Alam nyo bang batakal ang bigas naman na din puno. Ang titing ng bahay namin ay pinatapit-tapingero. Sa gabi sobrang init at tumutunaw ng yelo na di kayang bilhin o pang ilagay sa inumin. Pinabalong tubig sa lumata ko rin uling-uling. Gamit ang panggatong na inanon lamang sa estero. Nagsisilbing kusina sa umaga. Yaking banyo ang aking inay na may kayaman ng isang kaldero. Nagagamit na pag ang aking amay sumelo. Pero kulang na kulang pa rin. Ulam na tuyot asin. Ang 50 pesos sa mga haboy pagkakasyahin. Di ko alam kung talagang maraming harang mo mataas sa abako. Doon nagbubulag-bulagan naman po kayo. Kaysa dami ni pera nyo, lang doktor na makapagpamali.
Everybody say!
Kaya,
Huwag kang masyad
hey!
bato-bato
Bato sa langit.
ang matamaan. Huwag magaling. Bato-bato sa langit ang matamaan ay huwag masyadong halata.
Huwag kang masyadong halata. Huwag kang masyadong halata. Huwag kang masyadong halata. Yo, sasabihin ako, mic check, yo. Yo, halika na, pasukin natin ang mundo ng laro. May kosa mas matindi pa sa mga ego at kano. Kapag bumanat sa may katumbos ko'y ilang tumbok sa akin dilo na hindi na nagbabago ng atulog. Hinasa ng panahon, sabay na bimpak ang estilo. Itinilapat ang mga letrang sintigas na eskotero. At ilang kwentong barbero ang aking natanggap. Ang masapawan ng pangalan ko'y kay hirap at tanggap. Ako yung bata na gustong gawing bataan. Ng veteranong naturing ang utak ay walang laman. Magkocompose ng English rap na kutiring mapapaw sa papanggap na Inglesero. Mga bobong ma-pronounce fully text. Pero marami nga'y na-discorrect, hindi matake ang pagka-arte. Sabi ni Direk, wala kang karangalan para sa akin mangyabang. Isa ka lang na tagahang gusto sa akin mang abang. Break it down, yo.
Palakpakan naman dyan!
Hey!
Yes, we'll give you the next song, guys. Sa lahat ng mga millennials na nandito ngayong gabi, kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. Hope you like this song. Sabayan niyo po ako. Come on! Sino ba nakakalam na Taylor Swift? Ayan! Pwede kayo sumabay sa akin, guys, if you know this song. Come on!
We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes in the flashback stars were standing there on the balcony of summer air.
Alright, come on.
See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know. Everybody say that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles in my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. No, Sammy! And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all the stuff to do is right. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yeah. Come on! So I sneak out to the garden to see you. You keep quiet, 'cause we're getting so long. I keep waiting for you, but you never promised this. In my head, I don't know what you're thinking. To the ground and pull out the windows. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talk to you, dead, don't be that white dress. It's a love story, maybe just say yes. Oh, oh. 'Cause we were both young when I first saw you. You want more? One more! Come on! You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's going up about something that she's in, but she doesn't get your humor.
Sayo naman kayo dyan, come on!
I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like, but she doesn't get your story like I do. One more song, come on! But she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, reading about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. To myself, isn't this easy? And you got a smile that might have this whole time. I haven't seen them in a while since you put you down. You say you find I know you're better than that. What you doing with a girl like that? Like she wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's cheer captain and I'm on a bleacher, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for. Gusto pang sumayaw ha? Huwag po kayong mahiya, guys. Just enjoy the night! Woo! Are you ready to rock and roll? In the count of three, sabay-sabay tayo tumalon. Okay ba yun? Here we go! And one, two, three, go, go! Everybody jump! Ha! Ha! Everybody
cover in the show.
Sayaw!
When I see there, yun, my heart tells me that I love you more than on my little pearly shell.
Ayos ba?
Kisay mga pearly shell diyo! Sino mga kabataan dito ngayong gabi? May nakita akong kabataan dito sa gilid. Sino mga
Dito.
member ng SK dito ngayong gabi? Mga SK, mga samahang 40 anyos! Daghan na gunin nyo ng abisto. Gusto nyo pa ba?
Wow!
Gusto nyo pa ba? Tayo ni Babong. In the ride.
Makes me feel happy. Makes me feel fine. A tiny bubbles, a tiny bubbles in your eye. Wow. Makes me feel happy. Makes me feel fine.
Kisay member sa SSS diya.
Siyempre, daghan.
Kabalo mo sa meaning sa SSS? Samahang sobra sa 60 anyos. Nakalingo-lingo ko si nanay. Kinsay mga tigulang isip bata diya karong gabi.
Ang tigulang bisan bako laka maning ka ubang putito aron mo labiyo. Hey! Ang tigulang bisan bako maning kamot ubarong putito aron mo labiyo.
Grabe na itong mga kagawa doon, makikita manayaw ba? Okay na ba diya? Mga rockers, manday mo diya eh. Gana mo, rock? Okay ra, rock? Sige, mga rockers.
Dili tanang long hair rocker. Ala, dili tanang rocker long hair. Ang uban parang rocker lang. Di ay to walay kalibutan. Dili tanang artista wapa. Dili tanang wapa artista. Ang uban ng inosara kay gibiyaan sa ilang bana. Dili tanan maoy akong giuluhan. Dining kantahang walay tumong ug way padulngan, baby. Ang mga lyrics gibali-bali mura og sinubang bangos. Wow! Usang paghilom paminaw ug katawa na lang. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Okay pa mo diha? Nag-enjoy pa ba ang tanan? Yes, we gonna give you more Bisaya nga kanta. Okay ra no? Bisaya man ta diri tanan. Are para sa nag-request, hope you like this song.
Kisay kasabot og Bisaya dire. Para sa nag-request ani ganiya pagid ni napa mi sakyanan gi-request ginis mo aba. Sige, birahan na to mga Bisaya. Ha 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 ha. Inisilok sa adlaw sa sayo sa kabuntagon pagkatibay sayawi diya be. Masutong ta ang katauman ni kalibutan. Hoy! Gidayan-dayan sa nahig na tanga kalanggaman nga nanangawit ning kabukiran. Hey! Ug magpadulong sa pagsalub sa kahaponon. Ug sa dughan nga walay naglaylay, sa kasing-kasing nga way nagsamnay, sa makay nanay nga wapay tagay ay di panlaay.
Everybody!
1, 2, 3!
Okay na buhi, yug-yug kundi na mo gahi. Og imong pitkon, muhuyos pa man hinuon.
Ay!
Way kinutuban, way hunong ang iyang gidulnan. Ay, 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 anong sakiton man.
One more time! Hey, 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 hey! Igisilak sa alaw sa sayo sa kabuntang. Ako maugit si tatay sa'yo, pagkatibay Masitlog ta ang katahuman ni kalibutan. Oh, di ay, DJ Gidayan-dayan sa langit at ang kalanggaman nga nanangawi hey! Ning kabukiran. Let's go! Upang padulong sa pagsalop sa kahaponon. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ug sa dughan nga walay naglaylay, sa kasing-kasing away nagsablay, sa makay tatay nga nakatagay ay nangalipay. Hoy! 1, 2, 3, go!
O kinabuhi, yukyuk kundi na mo gahi. O imong pukson, mohuyos naman hinoon. Way kinutuban, way hunong ang yang ditulngan. Ay ay ay, ay ay ay, nga nang sakiton mo.
Mga dyan, sigara! Come on!
O kinabuhi, yukyuk kundi na mo gahi. O imong pukson, mohuyos pa man hinoon. Pastilan, way kinutuban, way hunong ang yang ditulngan. Ay ay ay, ay ay ay, nga nung
Sakiton man.
ay ay ay, ay ay ay, nga nung
Sakiton man.
ay ay ay, ay ay ay, nga nung
Sakiton man.
Yeah, taga salamat sa nag-request!
Kuyawan
Nalingaw
ninyo
mo?
mga request eh.
Grabe, good lingaw. Juga ay sila diri dapita ang ato mga barangay
Napay isa.
captains.
Hala, sorry kayo sa nag-request na gidani. Way manghagis. O sa kaawit, gikan sa mong higalang si Max Urban para sa nag-request sa ning sunata. Ala si Larga Mula. Hey! Way maigo. Hey! Dako niyang problema. Hey! Iyang buhok nga labong. Pirti ng nipisa. Nakadlok siyang maupaw. Basig mo gwapo, iyang hitsura. Nang iso siyang itlog. May tayo pong paog dunay lana. Hey! Has kang di malasa, walay buhok hintubo. Hintog kan hinoon siya, ugas pa. What? Tungod sa kabalaka. Gipakonsultas doktor nga espesyalista kasi pinagduda. Kay ang doktor pertisang upawa. Unya ang resulta. Matud pa sa doktor nga okay na. Kanang imong kaupaw ayaw laga palaka. Kay madugay maanad kara. Ambot nga no, daghan dihang mga upaw-upulo.
Hoy,
Kapan ang bungot o balahibo, labong paman kaayo.
Oh yeah!
Hanga tukulo, diya sa may hubon o alipulo. Kining dapit na gyud sa tao, maugayoy makalbo.
Hey!
Tampag murag pasiaw, ang lagong nga langaw. Tambal kunos ka upaw, inus-nus lang sa ulo.
Lo, grabe oh.
Buhok mo tubo, tagsa kadangaw. Iyak kining gituman, lagong ginus-nus kini adlaw-adlaw. Bali usak si mana, gisusigitan aw. Ang upaw, hingsamot kasinaw.
Hey!
Ako si BJ Bakong.
yeah!
Isa may request ko dahil ko doon. Naulaw na kay Nana na lang ko sa view ba. Alright, one more time. Hey! Dako niyang problema, iyang buhok nga labong, perti ng nipisa, nahalok siyang maupaw. Basing mo wapo, iyang hitsura, nitanaw siya sa samin. Iyang nawang murag simot sa baktin,
Uy!
sa likod o gilid, murag silit o lapit, apan ang ibabaw si Boy Abunda. Nakapit pa si Boy Abunda ng style na niya.
Palakpakan naman dyan. Thank you for requesting.
Salamat sa nag-request sa mga Bisaya. Salamat.
And so we're gonna give you our last two songs. Excited na mo sa atong next performer? Ayan, wag muna kayong umalis dahil napakasikat din po na banda yung susunod sa amin. So guys, this will be our last two songs. Thank you so much. I hope everyone nag-enjoy po kayong lahat ngayong gabi. Here's another song! Ha! Ha! Let's sing along with me if you know the song! Yay! Everybody! Say! Huwag mong panisinin ang paninira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang tamang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong titipin. Ipapagulan mo'y lalo ka lang aasarin. Sabay! Losi Balasi. Sino ba sila? Losi Balasi. Sino sa? It's gonna be Jay. Ho, ho, ho. you so much for the time. We'll give our last song, guys. Once again, we are the Sweet Notes Music. Thank you for having us here, Prosperidad. Dagang salamat! And somebody for the next performer, huwag po muna kayo umalis. Come on! Hey! Bottom 90s! Woo! Anagishi Sakuraki!
Sakuragi.
Let's sing along with us! Come on!
眩しい日差しのせい走りは強いよりか戦えた一瞬のように感動君に夢中な誇り負け合ってないのに違うではやむことはないいつの間にか人に奪われてらしまたへ離さない古かない Crazy for you
それそれ
君が好きだと叫びたい明日を変えてみよう通り過ぎよ時を打ち壊したい君が好きだと叫びたい Can we get it on my soul この熱い想いを受け止めてほしい沢めいてブルワリ池は打てブルーし何気ない君の視線に酔いしれ恋をしてるような踊らせてるような高鳴ることにもう嘘熱からいつめなれば配る雲のもてなし養生届きたい確かめたい I'll take you away Say 君が好きだと叫びたい何もかも脱げ捨て放熱がずっと心を口にしはしたい君が好きだと叫びたいこの愛がさらにいつ目をだって思い出生まないでらしい I wanna cry for you You take the time for the last time Once again, let's do it again. Kami ga suki da to叫びたい明日を変えてみよう通り過ぎと時を打ち壊したい君が好きだと叫びたい Can we get it from my soul この熱い想いを受け止めるし I wanna cry for you
Once again, on Sweet Notes Music, thank you for having us here. God bless everyone.